Hey nail friends, so I am going to be upgrading my salon. I'm putting in a new desk area here. I'm gonna be trying to clear out some of this clutter that you see. So I just have more space and more organization, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So let's go from this to this. We made a quick Ikea run. Already damaging my stuff. Here comes the muscle. Look at those sweatpants. I have a little bit of muscle too. All right, so here are the supplies. I got one desk, but I bought it twice because I want to do an L shape for this corner. So I'm just detaching my light from my table, breaking down my table. I'm gonna store that. And I gotta move my nail supply storage and shelves and finish with a happy dance. Now we gotta get all of these IKEA items organized because you know these instructions are hard as hell to read. And we're bringing out the big boys. My pup Bronson keeps up with our supervision the whole time. And I'm just getting these drawers together. The small one and large ones do have different instructions, so make sure you pay attention to those. And I tried to bust out the hammer, but the way my muscles are set up, it just wasn't working out. Had to let my man step in and do his thing. And Bronson supervised every second of it. It's time to put all of the pieces together, or so we thought. We got one drawer in and realized we needed to attach the tabletop pieces first so that we could screw the table to the drawers. This is when we had our second realization, and the top piece was on the bottom and the bottom was on the top. I came in with my muscles again so that we could mount this table to the drawers. So we knocked out our first tabletop and got to working on the second one, which went way faster because we're basically professionals now. Stay tuned for how I organize all of my nail stuff in my new setup.